Good evening, members of FAST. This is Jigs and Osrak's review on comparing a Flightmax 2220C ZP battery and a Flightmax 3000 mAh 20C ZP battery.
Ma.
Okay, first up is a 2200 mAh 20C. Gun is a JG Spets with SHS gears. Chrono X Cortec.
.427 FPS. So ito yung RPS reading on 2220C batteries. 30.37 RPS. So try natin yung
So
20C 3000.
palit tayo ng 20C 3000.
Dito kasha, no?
Medyo malaki. Pero kasyang-kasya sa CA na stubby stock.
At
Kung napapansin nyo, medyo bullet connector siya.
gold bullet connector to tawag dito.
Sabi sa website, bullet connector.
Ayaw pumasok. Uy. So still 421.5 RPS reading. Holy cow. 33.35. So 3 RPS yung increase. 32.92. May speed na
Wala nang bibis.
32.93. Ayan.
Ayan po ang difference ng isang 3000 mAh at isang 2200 mAh 20C ZP Lipoly. Osrak and Jigs out.